Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another important topic in the chapter environmental and substantial development. Causes of environmental degradation. The major cause of environmental degradation in India are excessive exploitations of natural resources, huge size of rapid rise of populations, faster spreading urbanizations, and the failure of market in response to environmental goods. The pattern of growth based on the resources, widespread of poverty, underemployment, mismanagement of renewable resources, exploitations of forest and groundwater, and emissions of pollutants such as cigarette smoke, traffic fumes, agro-based industries, increasing deforestation, illiteracy, ignorance of non-renewable resources, and indiscriminate use of chemical fertilizer, pesticide in agriculture, and generation of domestic urban and industrial waste pollution beyond the earth capacity to be absorbed. Or in India, virtually all industrial belt, particularly of the chemical and petrochemical ones, are living ecological disaster, loss of biodiversity. Next, impact of environmental degradation. Environmental having the numbers of adverse effect on the Indian economy. We are facing the problem of depletion of non-renewable resources. We observe experience growing scarcity of renewable resources, initial for human survival due to deforestation, soil erosions, and etc. Paradox in that environmental degradation is the both poverty included as well as conscience of influence expanding productions. Rapid deforestation by the people living in both rural and urban areas led to problems of soil erosion, wildlife exitings. Environmental degradation are mainly three potential cost of present future human welfare. It harm the human health, increase the expenditure on health. It retrade the economic growth due to the decline of productivity. It lead to loss of amenities. In short, country has the bear high opportunity cost in environmental degradation. Next, measure of environmental protection in India has been integral part of the India we are living. We give special importance to tree, plant, forest, wildlife protection. Environmental protection cover all those activities which related to the formulation of policy program for prevention of pollutions and conservation of ecology. Means there has been increased awareness in recent years about the protections of environment over the last few decades. India has also involved legislation, policy, and program of environmental protection, conservation of natural resources. The Indian government policy guided by the principles of Agenda 21. The government has in the policy statement forestry, abatement of pollution, national conservation strategy, environment, substantial development. Next, substantial development. India and economic are interdependent and complementary to each other. Hence, the process of development should not be ignored. Environmental issue. The development which ignore the environmental issue cannot be substantially of environment is a precondition of substantial development. These days, the concept of substantial development gaining more importance. Today, there are two major concepts regarding to substantial of development in the whole world. The wasteful consumption, luxury lifestyle, which plays a huge stress on the environment in the terms of resources supply and eliminations of wastage. The main feature of substantial development it stress on meeting need of both present generation future generators. It needs of the substantial increase in real per capita and economic welfare over time. It distributive equity, integral intergeneration, internal generation equity. Next, strategy for substantial development. Sustainable refer to the judicious utilizations of resources. There should be a restraint on wasteful luxurious consumption pattern. Efforts should be made to invest the input efficient technology in order to maximize output without laying stress on resources endowment of the country. Fast growing population should be effectively checked, and especially in the developing country like India, uses of environmental friendly resources like wind energy, solar energy, LPG, CNG in place of petrol, diesels, and other exhaustable resources generate employment opportunity in rural area in order to check the rural urban migration resulting. And next, practice organic farming which lay emphasis on the use of the compost and mineral place of excessive use of insecticides.